Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest tip and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Ms. Mseleku's third wife, Tobile Makhumalo Mseleku, has been receiving a lot of cyberbullying when she joined the Real Housewives of Durban. She is bullied because people feel like she doesn't fit into the housewife franchise standards. They have bullied her for living in the rural areas and also mocked her yellow house in Zumbe. Tobile has spoken to Drum magazine to finally address the issue. She says, if you know Makhumalo, then you'd know that she's someone from the rural areas. So it was going to be misleading to find Makhumalo watching her for the first time on a new show. Now you find her at a new house and not in Umzumbe. Secondly, it is one thing that I pride myself with to be someone who comes from deep rural areas but made it to the urban areas and was able to mingle with people who are assumed to be from very high standards, she added. She also said that the show's producers wanted to show how she could be both a rural woman and someone who can mingle with the upper class society. They were never interested in the properties that I might be owning in the urban areas because they wanted to spice things up, she added. When asked whether her husband would be joining her on the show frequently, she said, Musa will be featured in a few episodes but has encouraged her to be her own person and do her thing on the reality show.